get ready with me to go to dance. First is hair. Let's speed it up.
Peached. What do I? I'm gonna be finishing this, and then I'm done. Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little, guys. I'm just using a little for my dark eyes.